Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Good afternoon. I want to say good night because it's light outside right now, so you gotta go with the flow. Anyway, with my dog and all, walking, and I just got a package in the mail. Ecocut Pro. I ordered it about a month ago, and I knew with these Chinese products it takes a while, so I got it though. I got it in a month, so it's not even that bad. All right, doing his call work here, I see. Relax. Relax. So, Spike, shut up now. I'm done. All right. So, this is my issue, right? I order Ecocut Pro, and then I get I don't know what this is. This doesn't say anything about Ecocut Pro, but obviously, you know, Chinese, they make it look like one thing and they give you something else. So I'm gonna test it though, anyways. But this is what you get. I ordered the green one, got the black one. So I had to go to the store with the water because unfortunately it's not raining today. But it's a good day to check this little piece I bought. It's definitely streaky on one side, the other side is clean. Do it again. Alright, it's missing something right there, a little line. It's definitely missing, so we're gonna cut it and hopefully that changes. See it. I definitely see it. Right there. There you have it. That shit do not work, man. Pretty simple. $10 worth it, you know? Garbage. Get my money back. Fuck that. But I get the point. Guess that's not true. So I literally delayed me buying new wipers for about a month or a month and a half or so because I bought that little Ecocut. But we can see it doesn't work. Obviously, you buy it from China. Most Chinese shit don't really work. You know, little cheap shit don't work. But bought it from China. I already knew what it was. It was $10 free shipping. So think about that. How much money they really making off of the product? $5. So I was like, it's worth a shot. You know, if I could shave my blades at least one time and save myself 6 months, then $10 would be worth it. Correct, right? But wrong. It don't work. So I just wasted $10. So you know, Ecocut does not work. Do not buy it. It's pretty much that simple. If you get the black box, it does not work. You need the green box. I think that's the blade itself. I'm not sure why they sent me just a black box, but it is what it is, man. You know, trial and error. Later.